keep going. Why hello, well, dear, while we're both right here, let's have a chat if you don't mind. I ain't got much to give in this world we live. We're both here looking for a good time. It's a lonely world, I know it. The world can be so cold, like I hold you in the warmth of my arms. It only lasts a night, but that will be alright. But if all goes well, I hope I love you more. Oh, I'd do anything just to hear you say, I wanna love you for the night. Let me take you home, let's get comfortable. I'll love you till the morning light. I want to take you home with me to the world of my dreams. I'd like to show you how I am yours. In my loving fantasies, I see you in a summer dream. I hope I get to see that summer dream. How incredible, why commendable. I'd like to thank you for a good time. You and I both know this ain't just for sure. Let's bring a little further into the light.